Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I have some Happy Mail. This is from ARTEZA. They did ask me to review some products, and I think that the products came in separate packages, so this is the first of a couple of packages. So let's see what's in here. Okay. So I opened it from the bottom, of course. Let's move the box out of the way. Oops. So this is what it is, which is a hardcover spiral bound scrapbook. And it's two black cover scrapbooks. Ooh, these are nice. Ribbon closures. Let's move this box. I think I better keep that to store them in. Look at that. So this is what they look like on the inside. And I have pens and stuff that are perfect to write on these if I just wanted to write on them, or actually do scrapbook spreads. I really like that ribbon closure. That's a good idea for my junk journals. Instead of using an eyelet, build it into the cover like that. I think that's pretty cool. So anyway, that's what I got. The two black scrapbooks. And let's see if they talk about the paperweight. Yes, 169 pounds, 40 sheets, 8.5 by 11. Scrapbooks are available in a variety of types and sizes. So you can do your pictures like this. And I was also thinking that I might, as nice as these are, I might have to break it down and use the paper for something else. I don't know. Maybe. This could be an art journal. Could be a whole lot of things besides a scrapbook. If you're not into scrapbooking. So I'm back with another package. Let me see if I can get this open. So we have the metallic gouache paints. Can't wait to play with these. Let's open this up. When I got the other gouache paints, the metallics were sold out, but I wanted the metallics too. So now I have the metallics. Can't wait to play with these. Oh, you know what? I guess these are in the other one. I think I'm gonna have to check, because I think some of the ones in the big box that I have are pearl. I don't know. I'm gonna play around with them and let you know. No. Okay. Then I got this weekly planner pack. Let's see if I can get this open. Oops. So this is 60 sheets weekly planner pad, 8.5 by 11, 68-pound paper. I think I'm going to keep that information in the back of the book. Let's cut this off. So it comes with two pads. So this one has like a handwritten font on it, and this one has just a basic sans serif font. It has Monday through Sunday with the water tracker on here. It's got top priorities, a place for the date, and a to-do list spot, and healthy habits. So this is like a little tracker. That's cool. Let's see what this one has. Okay, so this one has the top priorities. I guess this is the space for the date here, the to-do list, the habit tracker. It also has the water tracker, but it has, I guess, a top 3 checklist for each day, and it's also Monday through Sunday. This is really nice. The only thing is that it is 8.5 by 11. But let me see. Oh yeah, you could trim it down if you really want to put it in your Happy Planner. Or you could punch it here and use it this way. So you could punch it there, use it. Okay, I'm going to play with it. We're going to play and see what it will fit in. And figure out some different ways that we can use these sheets instead of just in the pad. Of course, you can use them right off of the pad, which I like that. You can just rip it off, be done with it. But yeah, okay, so let's move on to the pens. These are Fineliners, but they are improved, I think, from the previous Fineliners. Let's take a look. Let's see. Okay, so the lid stays attached. Nice. The barrel is different. The other barrel was like a more harsh triangle. So this is what the tip looks like. So let's see. They roll a little bit more than the other ones did. But they do have a number on them. I think that's the number. Yeah. So this one is A105. This one is A116. That's nice. And then here are the colors. The names of the colors. Nice. So these are the original 48 Fineliner pens. So this says triangular barrel. This says triangular shaped. They both say premium. The lid is attached on both. So this is what the original ones look like. And this is what the new ones look like. So, and I don't know if I have them in the right color order. And that was one thing that I kind of was unsure about with these, is they did not have any notation on the pen as to what color they were. So yeah, and there was nothing on the box about what, you know, what the colors were, or on the tin. So it's a little different. Let's see. So you get all these two. I think we'll do a comparison because I want to see what the difference is. So stay tuned for that. It's going to be a separate video, and I'll also be using these in another video as well. Just to see. Let's pick a color that matches. Let's do one of these orange colors just to see how they write. And this is, I don't know, this paper is pretty heavy. They feel really smooth. It could just be the paper. This is what, I don't know where the date is supposed to go on these. And you can't really see this that good. Let's see. Ballet begins. That's all I know off the top of my head that's happening next week. Monday is a holiday, Labor Day. So let's see how they color. I don't know. I think these feel really nice. They're not scratchy. Let's see if there's some bleed through. No, but this is some pretty thick paper, so I wouldn't expect too much bleed through. Let's do Dorian. So the orange is nice. Let me write with one of the other ones. I guess we might as well go ahead and compare a little bit while we're here. See, and I can't even tell if this is the same orange color. Hard to tell. Yeah, I think it is. Well, nope, it's not. Interesting. I do like them. Not scratchy at all. Let's try one of these blues. Oh yeah, that's really pretty. Still no bleed through. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep, for your 8 glasses of water. Interesting. Where's the black? Let's try the black. I probably could do much better at this if I took my time, but I don't. This black is really nice too. I mean, I think it's good that they have the numbers on here, but actually having the names would be better for me. They would register more with me than the numbers do. The paper is getting pretty saturated now, and so it's starting to bleed through. So as long as you're not doing any heavy duty coloring or filling in or whatever, you shouldn't have a problem. But if you start saturating the paper, which is going to be true for any type of pen really, once the paper gets saturated, it's going to bleed through. They are nice. Ooh. Okay, so but yeah, I will come back and do a real official pen test. That's just a little comparison of the two. Oh, these going here. The new fancy black barrel. I do like the black barrel better than the gray. I think the shape might be better for my hands than this one also. Yeah. Let's try another color. See, can I draw a roll of washi? Oh yeah, this is like fluorescent pink, not my favorite type of color. Yuck. I'm not a fan of fluorescent, if you didn't know. Yeah, I do not care for fluorescent stuff. So, let's hide that a little bit. Okay, well, that is my first impressions. I do like these pens. I like them a lot. And it just makes me wish I had more time to just draw and doodle and play with them. And I will be, like I said, coming back to show these in action. So if you're interested in any of these products or any of the ARTEZA products, there is a 10% off coupon in the description box below, as well as a link to the ARTEZA website. If you like videos like this, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button along with the little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!